So crypto was dealt another small body blow today, if you will. This is the second that we were expecting. It did come in line with what I was expecting. I'm going to share that with you here in just a minute. But the truth of the matter is that crypto is actually performing better than expected, considering this news that we got today. We're up 2% right now. You can see that, and actually it jumped. It jumped after this news report came out, and you can see Bitcoin not really doing a whole bunch, but Ethereum up just shy of 2%, XRP 2.5%, BNB front running everything at up on 9% almost. Pancake at 37, Onyx 19. Let's see, kind of looking at some of these others, 12, 11 plus. Now on the downside, the biggest loser right now, as far as percentage move down, is BitGet, Tron, Dex, a few others, but not a major sell-off here. So this is the breaking news, if you will, that is not impacting crypto. The crypto market, I think, was expecting this. We were expecting a hotter than expected. Yeah, January PPI. This is the producer price index. This is the index that measures inflation, cost, things of that nature on the manufacturing side. So yesterday we got the CPI, the consumer price index. It measures inflation and impacts on the consumer side. Okay, so PPI coming in rises to 3.5% above the expectation of 3.2. Core PPI was 3.6 above expectations of 3.3. It's now at its highest since February of 2023, while CPI jumped 0.5 month over month. The Fed pivot is over. This is basically calling for the fact that we are probably not going to see a Federal Reserve interest rate cut until the second half of the year. There was some speculation we might get one coming in June. It's most likely going to push to a possibility of September. Now, Trump's out there talking about, I've seen tweets from him and, retweets that he wants an interest rate cut. Okay. So we'll see how that plays out. Something else you need to be aware of, and as that I just remembered as it relates to Trump, he's expected at 1:00 Eastern Standard Time today to come out and talk about some additional tariffs that he's going to be imposing. That could have an impact on crypto and stocks because it could create some fear, uncertainty, doubt in the market. So keep an eye out for that. Just FYI, I just wanted you guys to know that. So just stay tuned. We could see some movement or some volatility as a follow up around that. So keep an eye on the market around 1:00 this afternoon, Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so just kind of final thoughts here. We're going to continue, I think, to see the volatility play out. The quicksand analogy that I gave you guys yesterday or the last couple of days, almost like we're in quicksand, right? And we're kind of stuck in quicksand, maybe up to our waist. Somebody's thrown us a rope, and we get kind of pulled out just a little bit, and then we kind of sink back in. We're not sinking in quicksand. We're kind of staying right here, and we're just not really getting anywhere. We're just stuck, right? The crypto market is stuck. I've seen a couple of key people that I really respect using that word, stuck. And I think that is a really pretty decent word that sums up crypto right now. It is stuck. I mean, we've got one thing I will tell you, and I will remind you of, we still have institutional buyers. They are buying, right? There is just every single day, there's more and more information coming out where the companies, institutions are buying crypto. They're buying inside of the daily volumes. Like yesterday, Bitcoin's daily volume was like 43 billion. So they're not buying enough to just massively spike it, but they're consistently every single day buying. And I just want you to know that. And I think that's part of the reason you haven't seen the crypto market move backwards. We've stayed kind of at this 3 trillion, 100-ish billion dollar market cap. We're really not going backwards. Okay. And I think part of what's propping up the market right now is this institutional buying, that's what's going on. I think they're getting ready for the next massive move that's going to come. Okay. And to kind of show you something as well, this is interesting. I looked at this. So this is Trump's World Liberty Financial Holdings. You remember Trump launched this company, and this is a for all intents and purposes, a crypto holding company that has currently a current balance of 341 million, but they are total profit down 113 million, down 27% from when they've bought. You don't really see them selling. In fact, this actually shows, this is dropstab.com. So you can just kind of Google, or you can Google World Liberty Financial Holdings, and you can find this page. This is a pretty good analogy. So this shows that what they're holding, like they have, let me show you, $207 million worth of Ethereum, and they're down 59 million on that one investment. They have 62 million of Bitcoin. They're down 5 million on that. So they're pretty much down across the board. Some interesting ones that I like that they do own. I mean, I own Ethereum and Bitcoin, but they own Ondo Finance. I think that's a big one that is going to be something. What's going to be one of the key players in the tokenization effort as we get into that. So that's interesting. So they only own, let's see, about 177,000 of that, but they own some Aave, some Chainlink, things of that nature. You can see that the last transaction, let me refresh this. Yeah. So this down here shows recent transactions and all those different kinds of things. So this is kind of showing you everything. All right. So with that, I appreciate you giving me a few minutes. We'll continue to see how things play out. If you want help making even more money in crypto, give this a look. This is my trading indicator. This is a buy alert to a sell alert. 30 days, 413%. So $2,000 bought here, sold here would have made you a profit of over $8,000. The software runs on any mobile device, iPhone, Android, whatever it is. There's a link in the description below, as well as if you're watching this on X, the links below the video. Quarterly options, the cheapest on a per day basis, a little bit over $1. There's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back, refund guarantee. So there you go. So give it a look if you want. Also down in the description, there's a link to BTCC. This is an exchange that's been around for 13 plus years. You get a 10% deposit, bonus deposit on first time deposit. So this is a special deal they're offering to my viewers. So check that out. 10% deposit bonus on all deposits above $500. All signups can unlock secret community rewards, and you also can get extra bonuses up to $10,055. Okay. Also, you get 40% lower trading fees. So this is where I'm moving a lot of my trading over to now. Going to go over and check this out. So BTCC, links down there as well. All right. I will see you. Have a good one. Take care.